Hello viewers, Namaskar Juthai and welcome back to my channel. The non-Dimasa people of Assam and Dimasa are very much interested in learning the Dimasa language. Hence, the Hills Heritage channel will try to present you some episodes on how to learn Dimasa in English conversational skill. On every Sunday from today onwards, the Hills Heritage will present you episodes to learn the Dimasa language and Dimasa and English conversational skill. Learn conversational skill in Dimasa and English. Episode number 1. Today in this episode, let us learn some kinship or relationship words. Hindsi means kinship. Bufa means father. Abai means my father. Nafa means your father. Apa means my son. Buma means mother. Amai means my mother. Ama means my daughter. Nama means your mother. Buzu means grandfather. Azu means my grandfather. Nuzu means your grandfather. Badai means grandmother. Adai means my grandmother. Nadai means your grandmother. Boboda means great grandfather or mother's elder sister's husband. Boda means my great grandson or great granddaughter. Aboda means my great grandfather. Bumayung means great grandmother or mother's elder sister. Amayung means my great grandmother. Ayung means my great grandson or daughter. Biji means paternal uncle or stepfather. Jiji means my uncle. Aji means my nephew or niece. Bumaji means paternal uncle's wife. Maji means my paternal uncle's wife. Bede means maternal uncle, aunt or paternal aunt. Dede means my maternal uncle, maternal uncle's wife or paternal aunt. Ade means my nephew or niece. Bumausa means mother's younger sister's husband. Bumausi means mother's younger sister or stepmother. Bahau means father-in-law. Busuma means mother-in-law. Bazamadi means son-in-law. Bahamjik means daughter-in-law. Bazamai means one son or daughter-in-law's father. Bazamaizik means one son or daughter-in-law's mother. Bigim means brother-in-law. Agim means my brother-in-law. Bubauji means sister-in-law. Bubrauling means sister-in-law or brother-in-law. Bahandau means sister. Bubi means elder sister. Abi means my elder sister. Bada means elder brother. Ada means my elder brother. Buflu means younger brother. Bazang means younger brother or sister. Ajang means my younger sister or brother.